Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to enable dark mode in Google Gemini. Whether you are working late at night in 2026 or you just prefer that sleek, high-contrast look, getting this set up only takes a few seconds. So let's get right into it. First, you should adjust the setting if you are on a computer. Go to gemini.google.com and look for the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on that, and you will see a simple toggle for dark theme. You can also choose the Use System Theme option, which is perfect if you like your browser to automatically switch to dark mode at sunset and back to light mode in the morning. Next, for those of you on a mobile device, the process is usually tied to your phone's main settings. On both Android and iPhone, the Gemini app is designed to mirror your system-wide look. To change it, open your phone's settings, go to Display and Brightness, and select Dark. Once you do this, the Gemini app will instantly flip to the dark interface. It is a great way to reduce eye strain, and if you have an OLED screen, it can even help save a bit of battery life. Then, you should check out the Force option if you only want Gemini to be dark. If you are using Gemini through the Google app on an iPhone and you want to keep the rest of your phone in light mode, you can do that too. Just tap your profile picture in the Google app, go to Settings, then General, and select Theme. From there, you can pick dark to lock it in, regardless of your global phone settings. Finally, keep an eye out for the new Midnight mode in 2026. This is a special ultra-dark theme specifically for newer phones that turns the background pixels completely black instead of just dark gray. It looks incredibly sharp and is even easier on the eyes in pitch-black rooms. You can usually find this deep black option in the same theme menu under your app settings if your hardware supports it. And that is it. Your AI workspace is now officially easier on the eyes. If this quick setup guide helped you customize your Gemini experience today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and creator tutorials. See you in the next one.